Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate this Clawdeen from Monster High in Dress to Impress. So in this DTI transformations, we are channeling the one and only Clawdeen Wolf, and this Monster High baddie will be howling with approval. So this is the Clawdeen look that I created on DTI. Let me show you how you can make it step by step. So here I'm going to start with the hair. First you can go to the curly category and put on this hair. And here I'm going to color it brown. Then combine it with this curly hair with the same color. Then click on this updo category and put on this hair but toggle it into only bangs, and in here use the light brown color like this. And now let's start with the outfit. So here for the outfit, first I'm going to go to this soft in here and put on this top, and I'm going to color it with this pink leopard print like this. Then I'm going to combine it with this winter jacket and color the sleeve black. And then I'm going to put on the skirt in here and change the first color to this purple color. You can copy my hex code, and then the second and the third into this brown color. Then I'm going to put on this stockings in here and change the color into black. And I'm going to also put on these sleeves, change the color of the sleeve to black, and the cuffs or trims into purple. This. And now I'm going to find the codes and also currency item that I'm going to use. So first I'm going to use this skirt from the currency item. So toggle it into skirt. First color purple, and the second and the third brown like this. And I'm going to also wear this shoe from the code items like this. And I'm going to also combine the shoe with the socks. So toggle it into high strip socks but change the color into purple and black like this. And now you're just going to put on some accessory to complete the look. So I'm going to first grab this choker necklace and also this necklace in here, the one at the top. Then of course the wolf ears. So I'm going to color it brown and orange like this. And then you are done, and this is the final look for the Clawdeen Wolf. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this trick. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.